Mwega. Welcome to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. Today we are going to look at negative sentences which start with I don't want. This lesson was requested by one of my YouTube students. Her name is Ruth Mudhoni, and so we're going to look at I don't want, you don't want, and he does not want. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and of course if you have a request, just write in the comments and I will do the video. Now let's start our lesson. First thing to note, in our last lesson when we were learning how to say I want, we say that to want is kwenda. So if you want to say I want is dereda, but now to say I don't want is direda. Note the difference between A and E. Direda. If I was to say you don't want, I'll say doreda. If it's a third person, so we want to say he does not want or she does not want, we will say dareda. And of course the plurals are here. If it's us, we'll say totireda. If it is you, plural, nyinyi, I'll say motireda. If it is them, I'll say matireda. So we are going to look at a few sentences. I'll just do the I don't want, you don't want, and she does not want or he does not want. I'll do the first one with all of them, and then the rest you can do it on your own. Number one is I don't want to go to work today. I don't want to go to work today, which I know people feel this a lot in the morning. So I will say direda guthie wira umuthi. Direda guthie wira umuthi. We don't want to go to work today. Totireda guthie wira umuthi. Totireda guthie wira umuthi. You don't want to go to work today. Doreda guthie wira umuthi. Doreda guthie wira umuthi. You plural, you don't want to go to work today is mutireda guthie wira umuthi. Mutireda guthie wira umuthi. He does not want to go to work today. Dareda guthie wira umuthi. Dareda guthie wira umuthi. They don't want to go to work today. Matireda guthie wira umuthi. Matireda guthie wira umuthi. So as you can see, the only thing that changes is the prefixes depending on who you are talking about, but the rest of the sentence is the same. Number two is I don't want to leave you. So I'll say direda gugutiga. Direda gugutiga. So I don't want to leave you is why I'm saying gugutiga. Gugutiga. For the sentence that starts with you, I'll say you don't want to leave her. You don't want to leave her. Doreda komutiga. Doreda komutiga. If it is she does not want to leave me, I'll say dareda kodiga. Dareda kodiga. Dareda kodiga. Number 3 is I don't want anything. Direda kedo or direda odo. Direda odo or direda kedo. Sometimes we can change this sentence to start with there is nothing that I want, so I'll say gutire kedo dereda. Gutire kedo dereda. You don't want anything. Doreda kedo or odo. Doreda kedo. Doreda odo. She does not want anything. Or we can say the baby does not want anything. I'll say mwana dareda kedo. Mwana dareda kedo. Mwana dareda kedo. Number 4 is a quote by Oprah. I don't want anyone who does not want me. I'll say direda mundu owothe utaranyenda. Direda mundu owothe utaranyenda. You don't want anyone who does not want you. I'll say we doreda mundu utarakwenda. Doreda mundu utarakwenda. He does not want anyone who does not want him. I'll say we dareda mundu utaramwenda. Utaramwenda. We dareda mundu utaramwenda. Number 5 is I don't want food. Direda irio. Direda irio. You don't want food. We doreda irio. Doreda irio. She does not want food. Dareda irio. Dareda irio or we dareda irio. Number 6, I don't want to go home. Direda koinoka. Direda koinoka. You don't want to go home. Doreda koinoka. Doreda koinoka. She does not want to go home. Dareda koinoka. Dareda koinoka. I don't want to talk to you. Nie direda kwaria nawe. Nie direda kwaria nawe. You don't want to talk to me. We doreda kwaria nanie. We doreda kwaria nanie. She does not want to talk to you. We dareda kwaria nawe. We dareda kwaria nawe. Note the difference between we and we. We is you. We is he or she. I don't want to sit down. Direda guikara the. Direda guikara the. You don't want to sit down. We doreda guikara the. You don't have to start with we. We doreda guikara the. He does not want to sit down. We dareda guikara the. We dareda guikara the. What if it's you plural? Inyue mutireda guikara the. Inyue mutireda guikara they. I don't want to finish this food because it is delicious. I'll say ndirenda kunina irio ici tondu ciena cama muno. Ndirenda kunina irio ici tondu ciena cama muno. You don't want to finish this food because it's delicious? Ndurenda kunina irio ici tondu ciena cama muno. Ndurenda kunina irio ici tondu ciena cama muno. And what about him? We'll say ndarenda kunina irio icio or irio ici tondu ciena cama muno. Ndarenda kunina irio icio tondu ciena cama muno. And the last one is I don't want to buy a new bag. Nie ndirenda kugura muhuko mweru. Nie ndirenda kugura muhuko mweru. What about you? We ndurenda kugura muhuko mweru. We ndurenda kugura muhuko mweru. We ndurenda kugura muhuko mweru. What about him or her? We ndarenda kugura muhuko mweru. We ndarenda kugura muhuko mweru. And I will leave you with that. Practice these sentences and I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Tigwa wega muruto wakwa.